Alright, so the plan for today is to use these Harbor Freight zip ties as well as some scrap 1/2-inch hardware cloth to do something very useful. This is going to be the main ingredient. This is take one of these and you take a zip tie. So I'll have to come back here. Oh yeah. Ta-da! I can use this guy here. Wrap it around. These blue guys are really useful. Okay. Ta-ta-ta-ta. This is a gopher basket. I have to make about 12 of these and I'll go and plant some lavender right inside. Excellent. The thing is, the sides can actually bend. Little haircut. Oh yeah. Next. Yeah, look at that cage. I know what you're thinking. This thing belongs in the Museum of Modern Art. I pity that gopher who tries to bust through here, but if he succeeds, he earned that meal. The moment of truth, I have all my lavender plants here. I've grown all of these from little tiny cuttings. Now they're ready to be out there in the wild and grow. And here are all my gopher cages. Let's put these guys to good use. And if you're curious if it's really necessary, I mean, I did not dig this hole. This will be right in their face, huh? Alright, well, it's evening and all of these lavenders are planted and watered. So we'll call this one done. Thanks for watching and on to the next one.